Hey everyone, Terri-Ann here, your senior parts rep from Sicard RV. Today we're going to show you the starter kits we put together for you, so let's go. At Sicard RV, we want to make sure that you are outfitted with the best products when you head to the campsite. That is why we have decided to build our own starter kits made from some of the best products out there. We offer two different options, our premium standard starter kit and our premium deluxe starter kit. We are also more than happy to custom make a starter kit for you with all of the products that you truly want. So head on into our parts store Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and come pick up your starter kit today.